Put it like cracker behind my head.
Yeah. Like that?
That's good. Continue.
We are starting our adventure challenge this week. Want to open the page, Esme? Ta-da! And so we are going to try this one. It's not rainy out, but we don't really have supplies, so we're going to see how this goes.
Okay. We're doing home.
So it's got the home one. So now Esme's going to scratch and tell us what we have to do. What is our date? Yeah, let's go.
Snow is ice, and I think we're
Ooh. For this high-flying adventure, everyone will be making 5 paper airplanes. Each person needs 5 pieces of paper and a little inspiration. Okay, let's go. We made some paper airplanes, and we each said to make 5. There's no way. So we made 2 each. We started with 3. We got down to 2. Jack just stole a few that I already made. Esme won. I did not win. I came in last for each one. You gotta love it. Esme, like we each had different methods. I was like, bang it out. Just whatever it looks like, it's a plane, let's go. Jack just bothered Esme and I the whole time, and Esme researched to find the best airplane folding capabilities on the internet, and she won both rounds. So this is her picture, you know, gloating, just winning. That was pretty fun. I just think these are those kind of things like those books that you'll look back on down the line. Like I love, love, love photos. Is it any surprise considering what I do, documenting life? Do you know how many podcasts, it's gonna get dark, just trigger warning. But do you know how many podcasts I've listened to where somebody has lost a loved one? Any kind of loved one, sister, brother, relative, like grandpa, partner, and they don't have video of them and they can't hear their voice anymore. Like what I would give to hear my grandpa's laugh, you know, or my other grandpa who was from Cardiff, Wales, and so he had like a little accent to his voice, just to hear it. I used to have a voicemail that I kept for the longest time. I bet you if I went into the archives I could find it, but like, anyway, to me this is those memories that you can like, maybe when my kids are older, one of them will want to keep it and they can look back on all these fun little things we did when they were little. Listen, I'm a big softie in my core, okay? Softie. All right, I'm gonna go get a workout in. The state of the world is a lot. Whew. Russia invading Ukraine. It is weighing heavy on my heart. I hope by the time this vlog comes out that things haven't gotten worse. It's really, it feels weird to do anything right now, you know? Like how am I creating videos when there's people being bombed out of their homes? It's hard, it's hard. So I'm gonna go do a workout. I'm very grateful for my life. Yeah. Big freaking news. Jack, what did we just get in the mail?
We just got an Oculus Quest 2.
We're so excited. Okay, so we thought we would open it together. Oh my, sit down.
And just open just like that.
Oh my God.
They have them inside. Look at this. Inside.
Oh, damn.
So you get to like...
So this is, and you hold them like they go like that. Okay, let's get the instructions going.
Hold up.
Okay.
Do you need to put a phone in there? It's already... It's automatic.
No, it's automatic.
No.
Yeah, dude. It's like in there.
Can you put it like cracker behind my head?
Yeah. Like
That's
that?
good. Continue.
Am I like a kid in a candy shop? Yes. I love all the tech things. Hey, hey. Basement time. You know, doing the weekend things like laundry. We're having a lot of fun with that Oculus. Oh my God, I'm such a big kid. So much fun. So I want to make some time for that. But basically, I don't feel like doing any deep cleaning this weekend. I'm just not in the mood. Next weekend we'll have my dad over, so I'll do some cleaning in the week to kind of prepare for that, like toilets and stuff. But I did the toilets last weekend, like nothing's really overdue. I have a girls' night tonight, which I'm super pumped about. So my plan is fold the laundry, put it away, maybe do a little workout or play on the Oculus, like I feel like it's kind of a workout when you're jumping around, and clean the kitchen. And that's it. Anyway, let's fold. Let's dateline on the podcast and fold. Welcome to Sunday. I'm just having a bite. This is really good actually, of one of these bars. It's a fig bar. I love figs. Like, love figs. Anyway. And I'm taking a minute to write in my gratitude journal, the 5-minute journal. Hi, baby. You scared? Okay. So Esme and I are playing this game called Down the Rabbit Hole, which is on Oculus. Is it not the most magical thing you've ever seen?
It's cool.
It's like you've stepped into a fairy tale. Don't you find? Hey, you're sitting on my breakfast.
No, I'm not.
Boop, boop. Anyway, so we're really enjoying it, but I find with the Oculus, like, I'm not used to that kind of, so like it kind of makes me a little dizzy.
I knocked down a lamp.
I heard it. I was like, what in the heck?
And Mom hit the wall.
Oh, I did.
She went like this.
Well, because you know what? I set up, sorry, I'm chewing.
She set up a boundary.
But the sitting one makes a circle around you, like if you're not moving, and I didn't have enough space on my side. Noted.
Just do it in like the middle of the room so you can just...
Just taking a few minutes in my gratitude journal. One of my things is friends. I had a girls' night last night.
No.
And it was so nice.
I'm gonna go take a nap.
Okay, bye. I tidied up your room because I'm so nice.
Love you too.
There's nothing like seeing friends and it almost acting like a litmus test where, is that the right description? Where you're almost like comparing yourself, you know, how are you feeling versus how other people feeling and how other people are feeling. And I found this even as a new mom when I would do baby groups. Oh, I thought you were eating my snack. Even when I would do baby groups, like I remember if my baby didn't sleep for more than 45 minutes, I was like, is she normal? And I would hear that all the other moms at that same stage were all experiencing the same thing. And now I find like I'm really dragging my tail. I'm feeling a little down, a little unmotivated. And honestly, most of my friends are feeling the same way. It's just like the February blahs. Like we're so over winter. And that's the best part to me about seeing friends is like you have a bit of a sounding board. You're like, am I just complaining and miserable? Or is the rest of the province feeling like this, you know? Anyway, I'm telling you, the Oculus is fitting the bill when it comes to Amanda finding a way to have some more play in her life. Is so fun. And the last thing I'm grateful for, it's gonna be simple, but workout clothes that fit my body. So this particular style of journal does things you're grateful for, things that would make the day great, and an affirmation. And then at the end of the day, you can fill out the bottom. I don't always get to both parts, but it's kind of fun. My affirmation for the day is, I am productive, even if it's not work related. I struggle sometimes with my creativity, and sometimes when I feel really low and I just don't feel like I'm producing at like the level that I should be, I get really down on myself, and I'm not gonna do that. So I'm gonna try not to. Anyway. Can you even handle this cuteness? This girl has come such a long way from when we first got her in 2019. My little baby, my soul dog. You're the only one I forgive when you mess up my made bed, just in case you were wondering. It's okay, stay there. Oh, I interrupted her snoozing. Okay, go back to snoozing. I love you. Okay, bye. All right, it's time for me to spend some time with my new favorite toy. My current favorite game is Down the Rabbit Hole. Down the Rabbit Hole. I'm obsessed. It is just like so zen. And I love this little freaking house. All right, I'm gonna do a little experiment. I wanna see like how much of my heart rate goes up and how many calories I can burn in terms of a workout, not like actual caloric intake. And the reason I say that is because when I do like a tough workout, I burn between like 250 and 350 calories. Like that's like a good solid workout for me, like 30 minutes. So I'm really curious, and maybe actually more like 40 minutes. I feel like when you start tipping into an hour of working out solid, which sometimes I do because I'll do like combination of the bike or the treadmill and then a weight training workout, I could burn up to like 500 calories. So just curious, you know, I was really working up a sweat yesterday, so I got my workout clothes on, and I don't have plans to really work out aside from walking on the treadmill today. So let's just see what happens. I'm just gonna call it, what am I gonna call it? High intensity? Kinda. Let's see, I ended up doing 48 minutes. Some of those minutes was me stopping as Dean came back from getting the groceries and then like setting it up. But I burned 300 calories. What? Average heart rate was 88 beats per minute. It ranged from 66 to 152. So like, that's significant of a cardio workout. I wanted to show you guys that my bunny and my honey are friends. Hi, honey. And there's the bunny. Hi, bunny. We let him roam, excuse my dirty floor. We let him roam in the mornings, you know, when all of us are around, and then in the evenings too. He's a very good little boy. My other baby is being jealous. Stop being so jealous. Actually, they get along quite well. They're not like friends or anything, but honey doesn't want to hurt her, and I'm kind of amazed. I'm looking like a freshly out of bed lady. Woo! Did I tell you I have big plans to chop all of this off? Ugh, I'm ready for short hair. It's coming. Not this week, mind you, but when I get in for a hair appointment. Anyway, it's Tuesday. It is March 1st. My glasses are very dirty, and I got a few things to do today. I have to reshoot some content for a brand partnership. I have to get the podcast parts all uploaded, and I'm also putting out a video today, which I've already edited and uploaded. I just need to optimize it for the platform. I find one of the things I'm trying to get my head around is getting back into the zone of the meal prep and the cooking in the evenings, because Dean's really taken that task over, but he's gonna be going back to work in about a month's time. So I just need to get myself back into that groove where, like, you know, I finish working about 4:30 so that I can start the meal prep and all of that. So I have to be a little bit more structured with my day. But yeah, let's have some water, shall we? Hydrate. You know, just in case there's anyone out there that thinks that somehow my day gets more glamorous, it doesn't. I did do some Oculus Beat Saber. My arms are no joke sore from that intense Beat Sabering I did yesterday. So fun. I've put on a sweatshirt and some shorts. So this is where we're at. I haven't brushed my hair. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't brushed my teeth yet, and that's not good. That's not good. I'm about to do some recording for the podcast, which has a new episode on Thursday, friendo. And this is how I do it. I record it in batches. I send it over, so I have usually an editor does the interview part, and then a sound, you know, an audio engineer type of guy does the mixing of the whole episode and makes it sound beautiful. And yeah, it's like piece by piece, right? I have someone help me just finesse the intro a little bit, bit by bit. And actually, since I have your attention about the podcast, if you would like to be a guest or know someone that you think would be an interesting guest, why don't you message me? Anything about the podcast is going to be linked below if you think you'd make a good guest, if you have an interesting job or hobby or, I don't know, just whatever. Let me know. I'm curious to talk to you. You don't have to be the biggest Instagram star for me to want to have a conversation, you know? Okay, let's record some stuff. I always do a test. Testing 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Testing 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. Almost 2 years to the date, my husband Dean will be returning to his job as an airline pilot. He had been one for over 25 years, but in 2020, like so many, whenever I record, I try my best to enunciate nicely, to not rush my words, but also to hopefully sound like we're just chatting, you know, like how I would normally inflect and make, you know, words sound and not just like I'm reading it from a script. That's always my goal. Here's where we're at, end of the day on Tuesday. I'm finishing up some work and I'm a little bit down and a little bit dragging my tail. I'm trying to figure out, I'm trying to pinpoint what is going on. Am I just like, I think it's a combo of hormonal, combo of like winter dragging on forever. Although stuff is melting, so it feels good. But like, I think I gotta call a spade, and like, I'm burnt out. I'm really burnt out. So we have a week and a half until spring break. I think I'm gonna take that week off. I haven't taken a week off in a very long time. And I know that's something that I really want to do this year is like have some downtime, and I just think I'm due. Dean officially starts back on the 6th. I don't think he's like heading anywhere flying yet for a while. But yeah, and I think I'm gonna go to Ottawa for a bit, see my sister and my brother and families, maybe go spend like a night or two in Montreal. I just got to get out of Dodge with the kids, mind you. I think we'll leave Dean here to do what he has to do for studying, but we'll just go. I just need a little break. And that's just the long and the short of it. I'm tired. I think it's like the cumulative trauma is such a dramatic word, isn't it? It's so dramatic. But I feel really burnt out. And I'm kind of sad because my therapy session was canceled tomorrow. My talk therapist isn't available. And I'm just like, all I want to do is like sleep. And that's not a normal reaction to things. So I have some things coming up that I'm looking forward to. I've got an eye appointment. I've got, like, for my glasses, I've got a hair appointment. I have 2 social visits coming up. And I think I just need, and Jackie's birthday. But yeah, I think I just need to organize my life for the next week and a half to like properly take some time off and just do it because, wow. I'm burnt out. But I always feel so guilty. I don't know why. People take vacations. Why can't I take a vacation? I'm gonna end it. You guys are awesome. I hope you're doing okay. The world is heavy. There's so much going on. I know on Instagram I was talking about what's happening in Russia and Ukraine and Russia's, attack and invasion on Ukraine, and it is a lot. I know that's contributing to some of what I'm feeling. If you have loved ones involved in this situation, I send my love to you because it's certainly it feels very hopeless, like I don't know what to do. And so it's scary, aside from educate myself and educate my kids, just a little fried in my brain. Okay, I'm gonna wrap it up here because I'm a little bit rambly. So sending my love, thumbs up this video if you like my face because I show up when I'm not feeling my best and sometimes when I am. And yeah, I'll see you guys next week. 2 new videos. And then I'll take a week off and then I'll be back.